Precise and reliable measurement of optical data signals is more critical than ever due to demands from 400G, 800G, and 5G mobile deployment. To address the needs of R&D, validation, production, and field testing professionals, Yokogawa Test&Measurement has developed a family of innovative optical test solutions. For degradation of network links over long distances, engineers typically analyze bit errors, optical signal-to-noise ratio, side mode suppression ratio, erbium-doped fiber amplifiers, and laser source integrity. Yokogawa optical instruments include an extensive selection of built-in analysis algorithms to simplify these tasks. For denser wavelength division multiplexing channels, higher horizontal resolution with ultra-high peak wavelength accuracy plus high-level sensitivity is essential to properly analyze and validate signals. Our optical spectrum analyzers and optical wavelength meters have a built-in multi-channel DWDM analysis function that accommodates this need. Using Fourier transform interferometer technology, our OWMs deliver sub-picometer peak wavelength accuracy that captures up to 1,024 DWDM channels, while our OSAs boast a proven grating monochromator design that provides unsurpassed dynamic range and sensitivity to accurately measure critical values such as OSNR and SMSR. The increasing complexities of optical networks necessitate a variety of test equipment that can reliably measure multiple parameters. For optical transceiver simulation, receiver sensitivity validation, and routing time-sharing of optical signals traditionally require a full rack of costly and complicated instruments. Yokogawa's multi-application test system is a flexible, modular platform that lets engineers quickly customize combinations of hot-swappable plug-and-play modules in a single frame controller. This includes light sources, power sensors, variable optical attenuators, and switches. When transmission link lengths increase, optical signal power levels decrease due to network elements and inherent loss in the fiber cable. Optical receivers can fail to accurately identify transmitted bit rate when the signal is degraded over longer distances, resulting in detection errors. The VOA module with built-in power meter enables a sequence of closed-loop attenuated signals to conveniently determine the transceiver bit error rate. Portability and simplicity are important for quick assessments when in the field, as drop connections and downtime are very disruptive. Optical time domain reflectometers are invaluable for in-field troubleshooting to locate faults. OTDRs use pulse light reflections to precisely pinpoint event distances that require immediate repair, such as breaks, faulty splices, and connectors. With decades of optical testing experience, the precision makers at Yokogawa Test&Measurement understand the challenges faced by engineers and innovate novel solutions that improve and accelerate optical testing workflow.